Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to open a particular app or software by pressing a single keyboard key in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as Max Launcher. On the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now on the above you can see your downloads option. Just click on it. Now you can select the respective download options here. Now click on this download latest version. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So first double click it to run this software installer. Click on next, click on accept, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on install. Click on finish and wait for a few seconds. So finally you can see the user interface of this software, right? So firstly just click on this view option and just disable this auto hide. And now in order to add the application on this respective keys, what you can do is you can just drag on the respective key option. So you can see I have put this respective software on this M. Now if I press M, it will open the respective software which is already being opened right now, as you can see. So now similarly you can do the same thing by dragging the respective softwares on the respective key, or you can use the tools option also and you can select this open start menu folder options. So just to give you an example, let me just drag this Google Chrome on this G key. So now if I press the G alphabet on my computer keyboard key, it will directly launch the Google Chrome since I have added the Google Chrome software on this G key. So you can similarly do the same thing with other applications. So by using this application named as Max Launcher, you can easily open a particular app or software by pressing a single keyboard key in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool software, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.